In my book, scrambled eggs have two enemies, being overcooked and underseasoned. Well, stick around and I'll show you how I cook my scrambled eggs with a little bit of an Arizona twist.
Start off with a little 6-inch cast iron skillet. I have it on a single burner propane stove set pretty low. I don't want to get too aggressive with the heat. Got about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to let that melt. I'll swirl the butter around in the skillet to make sure the bottom and the sides are coated before I put the eggs in. This is 3 eggs that I've beaten just a little bit with a fork just before I put them into the cast iron skillet. I'll season them with some salt and pepper. Like I said, I have the skillet on some pretty low heat. If I was cooking on an open fire or some coals, I would regulate this by putting the pan on and off of the heat to make sure I didn't get any hot spots and that the eggs didn't cook too quickly. I'll give them a stir fairly often. 2 things: I want to make sure that they're getting mixed together and that the layer on top, which is not cooking as fast, gets to get next to the bottom surface of the pan so that they can cook as quick as the rest of the eggs are, hopefully bringing everything together about the same time. I'm still regulating the heat, making sure that I don't have too much on there. I want these to cook slowly, but not too slowly. I'm adding my roasted diced hatch green chili. This is a hot one. It'll be watered down some because of the volume of the egg. And then there's a half a cup of Colby Jack cheese. To me, that green chili is just perfect for this amount of eggs. Once again, it's 3 eggs. It adds that unique green chili flavor plus the right amount of heat for me. As soon as I feel like these eggs are done, I want to get them out of the skillet.
Well, here we go, gang. My version of scrambled eggs. A little salt and pepper to season it with, some Colby Jack cheese, and those Hatch green chilies. Fire roasted, of course. Let's see how I did. Be a little bit on the fork. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go eat.